Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978. The Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978, is a key regulatory framework in Pakistan, aimed at ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. These rules are enforced by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP), which oversees the regulation of drug manufacturing, import, and distribution. The primary objectives of these rules include: 1. Establishment of standards. The rules provide specifications for various categories of drugs, including their quality, purity, and strength. This ensures that pharmaceutical products meet certain benchmarks before they can be marketed. 2. Control of drug quality. The rules outline procedures for the testing and evaluation of drugs to ensure they conform to the established specifications. This includes guidelines for laboratory testing and quality assurance processes. 3. Licensing and registration. The rules detail the requirements for the licensing of drug manufacturers and the registration of pharmaceutical products. This includes the submission of documentation that demonstrates compliance with quality standards. 4. Labeling and packaging. Specific requirements are set forth regarding the labeling and packaging of drugs. This ensures that consumers receive adequate information about the products, including dosage, side effects, and storage instructions. 5. Inspection and compliance. The rules empower DRAP to conduct inspections of manufacturing facilities and to ensure compliance with Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). This is critical for maintaining the integrity of the drug supply. 6. Pharmacopoeial standards. The rules reference established pharmacopoeias, which are authoritative sources for drug specifications. Compliance with these standards is mandatory for the approval and marketing of pharmaceutical products. 7. Amendments and updates. The rules allow for amendments to be made as necessary to adapt to advancements in pharmaceutical science and technology. This flexibility is important for keeping regulations relevant. Overall, the Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978, provide a comprehensive framework for the regulation of pharmaceuticals in Pakistan. They ensure that drugs available to the public are safe, effective, and of high quality, thereby protecting public health. Compliance with these rules is essential for all stakeholders in the pharmaceutical sector, including manufacturers, importers, and distributors. MCQs portion. We are sharing 200 multiple-choice questions (MCQs) based on the Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978, with correct answers. 1. The Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978 were introduced in which country? Answer: Pakistan. 2. Which body is responsible for implementing the Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978? Answer: Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). 3. The main aim of the Drugs Specifications Rules is to ensure what? Answer: Quality and safety of drugs. 4. Under the rules, what type of testing must drugs undergo? Answer: quality control testing. 5. The rules specify the requirements for what aspect of drug products? Answer: labeling and packaging. 6. The Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978 apply to which of the following? Answer: all pharmaceutical products. 7. What is one key requirement for drug manufacturers according to the rules? Answer: compliance with good manufacturing practices (GMP). 8. What document serves as a reference for drug specifications? Answer: pharmacopoeia. 9. Which of the following is a primary focus of the inspections conducted by DRAP? Answer: compliance with manufacturing standards. 10. The registration of pharmaceutical products requires what? Answer: submission of quality assurance documentation. 11. What is mandated on drug labels according to the Drugs Specifications Rules? Answer: active ingredients. 12. How often must drug manufacturing facilities be inspected? Answer: periodically, as determined by DRAP. 13. What does the term specifications refer to in the context of these rules? Answer: standards for quality and performance of drugs. 14. Are amendments to the drugs specifications rules allowed? Answer: yes, as necessary to keep up with advancements. 15. The rules are designed to protect which group? Answer: the public. 16. What is the role of pharmacopoeial standards in the regulation of drugs? Answer: to establish quality benchmarks. 17. The Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978 emphasize which aspect of drug distribution? Answer: safety and efficacy. 18. What type of records must manufacturers maintain? Answer: records of production and quality control. 19. Who is responsible for the labeling of pharmaceutical products? Answer: the manufacturer. 20. Which of the following is not a requirement for drug registration? Answer: marketing strategy submission. 21. What is a key responsibility of DRAP regarding pharmaceuticals? Answer: ensuring compliance with drug regulations. 22. What happens if a drug fails to meet the specifications set forth in the rules? Answer: it cannot be marketed. 23. What aspect of drugs do the rules specifically address? Answer: specifications and standards. 24. What is one of the key principles underlying the Drugs Specifications Rules? Answer: consumer protection. 25. The rules include guidelines for which of the following processes? Answer: drug testing and evaluation. 26. Which of the following is a requirement for drug packaging? Answer: child-resistant packaging when necessary. 27. What type of information is required on drug labels regarding storage? Answer: recommended storage conditions. 28. Under the rules, what must manufacturers ensure about their drugs? Answer: that they are free from contamination. 29. Which category of drugs does the drugs specifications rules apply to? Answer: prescription and over-the-counter drugs. 30. What does the term GMP stand for? Answer: good manufacturing practices. 31. How does DRAP ensure ongoing compliance with the drug's specifications rules? Answer: through regular inspections. 32. What is one purpose of labeling requirements under these rules? Answer: to provide information for safe use. 33. The drug's specifications rules require that drug manufacturers have what? Answer: a quality control unit. 34. What must be included in the registration application for a new drug? Answer: evidence of clinical trials. 35. Which of the following is an essential element of drug specifications? Answer: potency. 36. The rules outline the responsibilities of which stakeholders? Answer: manufacturers, distributors, and importers. 37. What is the consequence of failing to adhere to the drug's specifications rules? Answer: legal penalties and product recall. 38. How does DRAP contribute to public health? Answer: by regulating the quality of drugs. 39. Which document is critical for drug manufacturers to understand? Answer: the Drugs Specifications Rules, 1978. 40. What does the term adulteration refer to in drug regulation? Answer: the contamination of a drug. 41. Which is a requirement for drug testing laboratories? Answer: accreditation by DRAP. 42. How can manufacturers demonstrate compliance with drug specifications? Answer: through regular quality audits. 43. What type of information is required regarding side effects on drug labels? Answer: known adverse reactions. 44. Which of the following is true about drug recall procedures? Answer: they must be conducted according to established guidelines. 45. The rules address the need for what in drug manufacturing? Answer: risk management practices. 46. What is a key focus of the drug's specifications rules in terms of public safety? Answer: preventing harmful products from reaching consumers. 47. What is one of the criteria for drug approval? Answer: efficacy demonstrated in clinical trials. 48. What type of regulations are outlined in the drug's specifications rules? Answer: both technical and administrative regulations. 49. How are drugs classified under the drug's specifications rules? Answer: by their therapeutic categories. 50. The rules require that manufacturers conduct which type of testing? Answer: stability testing. 51. What is the primary purpose of stability testing for drugs? Answer: To determine the shelf life and storage conditions. 52. Under the rules, what must be included in the drug manufacturing records? Answer. Batch numbers and manufacturing dates. 53. Which of the following is an important aspect of packaging requirements? Answer. Tamper-evident seals. 54. How often must manufacturers update their quality control procedures? Answer. As needed, based on regulatory changes. 55. What is required for a drug to be labeled as sterile? Answer. It must pass sterility tests. 56. Which category of drugs requires more stringent testing under the rules? Answer. Biologics. 57. What is the role of quality assurance in drug manufacturing? Answer. To ensure compliance with specifications. 58. Which aspect of drugs is addressed by the rules concerning distribution? Answer. Safe transport and storage. 59. What must be provided to DRAP during the drug registration process? Answer. Proof of safety and efficacy. 60. Which document outlines the specific requirements for drug formulation? Answer. Drug Master File. 61. What is one of the consequences of non-compliance with the rules? Answer. Suspension of manufacturing license. 62. What must drug labels include regarding the manufacturer's information? Answer. Name and address of the manufacturer. 63. How does DRAP handle adverse drug reactions reported by consumers? Answer. By conducting investigations and monitoring. 64. What is required for drugs intended for pediatric use? Answer. Specific pediatric labeling and testing. 65. Under the rules, what must manufacturers do if they change a drug formulation? Answer. Re-register the product. 66. Which of the following is a requirement for herbal medicines under these rules? Answer. Compliance with specific quality standards. 67. What does the term bioavailability refer to in drug specifications? Answer. The extent and rate at which the active ingredient is absorbed. 68. Which organization's guidelines are often referenced in the rules for quality standards? Answer. World Health Organization WHO. 69. What must be done to ensure that drugs are not subject to contamination? Answer. Implementing strict hygiene practices. 70. Which aspect of drug regulation is emphasized for public safety? Answer. Pharmacovigilance. 71. What is the main focus of risk assessment in drug manufacturing? Answer. Identifying potential hazards. 72. Which of the following is essential for ensuring drug potency? Answer. Proper storage conditions. 73. What type of testing is required for controlled substances? Answer. Enhanced security and tracking. 74. The rules require that drugs intended for export meet what criteria? Answer. Compliance with both local and international standards. 75. What must manufacturers do to maintain their license? Answer. Regularly submit compliance reports to DRAP. 76. What is the significance of the batch record? Answer. It provides a complete history of the production process. 77. How does DRAP communicate regulatory changes to stakeholders? Answer. Through official notifications and guidelines. 78. What must be evaluated during the clinical trial phase? Answer. Drug safety and efficacy. 79. What labeling information is critical for allergic reactions? Answer. Allergens present in the formulation. 80. Which regulatory requirement pertains to the packaging of narcotics? Answer. Special packaging and labeling instructions. 81. What does the term expiry date refer to in drug specifications? Answer. The date until the drug is expected to remain effective. 82. Which of the following is included in the drug registration application? Answer. Clinical trial data. 83. What is a common method for ensuring drug quality? Answer. Routine quality control testing. 84. How are changes in drug formulation reported to DRAP? Answer. Through a formal amendment application. 85. What must be indicated on the label regarding controlled substances? Answer. Warning about potential for abuse. 86. The rules stipulate that drug manufacturers must have what in place? Answer. A comprehensive quality management system. 87. What is one key responsibility of the Quality Control Department? Answer. Conducting final product testing. 88. Which document must accompany a drug during transportation? Answer. Certificate of analysis. 89. How are potential drug interactions monitored? Answer. Through post-marketing surveillance. 90. What is required for the importation of drugs? Answer. Import licenses issued by DRAP. 91. What type of stability testing is essential for liquid formulations? Answer. Accelerated stability testing. 92. The rules emphasize the need for what type of labeling for special populations? Answer. Clear and understandable language. 93. What must be verified during the manufacturing process? Answer. Correctness of the formulation. 94. What does the term CGMP stand for? Answer. Current Good Manufacturing Practices. 95. Which aspect of drug use is monitored by DRAP after market approval? Answer. Long-term safety and efficacy. 96. What is the purpose of conducting a drug recall? Answer. To protect public health from unsafe products. 97. What type of information is critical for drug efficacy? Answer. Clinical trial results. 98. Which of the following is essential for quality assurance? Answer. Regular audits and inspections. 99. What must be insured for drugs intended for elderly patients? Answer: appropriate dosing and risk assessment. 100. What must manufacturers do if a serious adverse event occurs? Answer: report it immediately to DRAP. 101. What is a critical requirement for the storage of pharmaceuticals? Answer: controlled temperature and humidity. 102. Which of the following is essential for drug manufacturing facilities? Answer: adequate sanitation and cleanliness. 103. What type of evidence is required for new drug approvals? Answer: scientific and clinical data. 104. Which regulatory body is responsible for monitoring drug advertisements? Answer: DRAP. 105. What is required for the export of pharmaceuticals? Answer: compliance with international regulations. 106. What should be included in the drug labeling regarding side effects? Answer: a complete list of known side effects. 107. What does adverse event reporting involve? Answer: documenting and reporting negative health outcomes. 108. Which of the following is crucial for ensuring drug consistency? Answer: standard operating procedures (SOPs). 109. What does the term quality control refer to? Answer: the process of ensuring that products meet specified requirements. 110. How must manufacturers handle expired drugs? Answer: follow specific disposal procedures. 111. What is the purpose of conducting routine audits? Answer: to verify compliance with regulatory standards. 112. Which type of information must be included on a drug's insert? Answer: detailed instructions for use. 113. What must manufacturers do to ensure raw material quality? Answer: conduct supplier audits and testing. 114. What is a key focus of pharmacovigilance? Answer: monitoring the safety of drugs post-approval. 115. Which type of testing is required for sterile products? Answer: endotoxin testing. 116. What is the primary responsibility of the Quality Assurance Unit? Answer: overseeing all aspects of quality control. 117. What must be indicated on labels for controlled substances? Answer: legal restrictions on use. 118. What does labeling compliance involve? Answer: ensuring all label information is accurate and clear. 119. How are potential contamination risks managed in manufacturing? Answer: implementing strict hygiene protocols. 120. What must be demonstrated for generic drug approval? Answer: bioequivalence to the reference product. 121. What is the role of clinical trials in drug development? Answer: to assess safety and effectiveness. 122. What must manufacturers do if they discover a defect in a product? Answer: initiate a recall and notify DRAP. 123. What type of stability testing is required for solid dosage forms? Answer: long-term stability testing. 124. Which aspect of drug use must be clearly communicated to consumers? Answer: risks and benefits. 125. What is essential for managing drug recalls effectively? Answer: a well-defined recall procedure. 126. What type of training is required for manufacturing personnel? Answer: training in GMP and safety protocols. 127. What must be evaluated during the preclinical phase of drug development? Answer: toxicology and pharmacokinetics. 128. What is a key component of drug registration applications? Answer: dossier of manufacturing processes. 129. How often should safety data be reviewed after a drug is marketed? Answer: continuously, as new data becomes available. 130. What must manufacturers do to verify their suppliers? Answer: conduct audits and evaluations. 131. What is the significance of a certificate of analysis? Answer: it confirms that a batch meets quality specifications. 132. What labeling requirement is specific to over-the-counter drugs? Answer: clear directions for use. 133. How does DRAP ensure the accuracy of drug labels? Answer: through review and approval processes. 134. What is required for the packaging of hazardous drugs? Answer: special handling instructions. 135. What aspect of drug formulation is critical for efficacy? Answer: dosage form selection. 136. How are pharmaceutical waste materials managed? Answer: according to specific disposal guidelines. 137. What must be included in post-marketing studies? Answer: assessment of long-term effects. 138. Which type of information is crucial for drug research and development? Answer: market analysis. 139. What must be done to maintain sterile conditions during manufacturing? Answer: implement aseptic techniques. 140. How should discrepancies in manufacturing processes be handled? Answer: documented investigations and corrective actions. 141. What is the role of labeling in patient compliance? Answer: to provide clear and understandable instructions. 142. What is required for the development of a new pharmaceutical product? Answer: a comprehensive research plan. 143. What must be included in the marketing authorization application? Answer: summary of clinical data. 144. What is one of the objectives of the drug's specifications rules? Answer: to prevent drug abuse and misuse. 145. What does traceability refer to in drug supply chains? Answer: the ability to track products through the distribution process. 146. What must be assessed for combination products? Answer: compatibility and interaction of components. 147. What type of testing is crucial for injectables? Answer: sterility and stability testing. 148. What is an essential aspect of pharmaceutical marketing? Answer: ethical advertising practices. 149. What must be documented for each batch of manufactured drugs? Answer: production and quality control records. 150. What type of records must be maintained for controlled substances? Answer: inventory and transaction logs. 151. How often should training programs for staff be updated? Answer: regularly, to reflect current practices and regulations. 152. What must manufacturers ensure regarding labeling languages? Answer: labels must be in the official language of the country. 153. Which of the following must be assessed for the safety of new drugs? Answer: pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. 154. What is one responsibility of the quality assurance team? Answer: conducting internal audits. 155. How are labeling errors typically addressed? Answer: corrective action plans. 156. What is required for the storage of sensitive pharmaceutical products? Answer: temperature-controlled environments. 157. Which of the following is a requirement for clinical trial registration? Answer: ethical review board approval. 158. What is essential for ensuring product integrity during transport? Answer: appropriate packaging and labeling. 159. What must be conducted regularly to ensure drug quality? Answer: quality assessments and testing. 160. What should be included in the risk assessment for pharmaceuticals? Answer: identification of potential hazards. 161. How does DRAP enforce compliance with the drug's specifications rules? Answer: through inspections and regulatory actions. 162. What type of information must be reported in post-marketing surveillance? Answer: any new adverse events or safety concerns. 163. What is a primary focus of the Quality Control Department? Answer: testing raw materials and finished products. 164. How are drug formulations evaluated for quality? Answer: through stability and potency testing. 165. What must be done for drugs with potential environmental impact? Answer: conduct environmental assessments. 166. Which aspect of drug development must prioritize patient safety? Answer: risk management strategies. 167. What type of labeling is essential for pharmaceuticals? Answer: clear and informative packaging. 168. What is required for drugs intended for geriatric populations? Answer: specific safety assessments. 169. What must manufacturers submit to demonstrate product safety? Answer: comprehensive clinical trial data. 170. What is a key requirement for drug distribution? Answer: adherence to temperature and humidity controls. 171. What must be clearly stated on drug labels regarding dosage? Answer: recommended dosage and administration routes. 172. Which regulatory requirement pertains to drug storage facilities? Answer: compliance with security and safety standards. 173. How are discrepancies in drug quality addressed? Answer: through investigations and corrective measures. 174. What is essential for the success of a drug recall? Answer: effective communication with stakeholders. 175. What must manufacturers verify about their active ingredients? Answer: source and quality. 176. What does active pharmaceutical ingredient refer to? Answer: the substance responsible for the drug's effects. 177. How should changes in production methods be handled? Answer: submitted for approval to DRAP. 178. What type of studies must be conducted for pediatric formulations? Answer: age-appropriate safety and efficacy studies. 179. What is a key focus of regulatory compliance? Answer: maintaining high standards of drug quality. 180. Which of the following must be included in drug registration documentation? Answer: manufacturing process descriptions. 181. How does DRAP support public health initiatives? Answer: by regulating drug safety and access. 182. What type of information is critical for drug labeling regarding contraindications? Answer: situations where the drug should not be used. 183. What must be assessed to ensure the effectiveness of a drug? Answer: clinical trial outcomes. 184. What is essential for manufacturers regarding product formulation changes? Answer: documentation and notification to DRAP. 185. What does good distribution practice (GDP) involve? Answer: ensuring the quality of drug distribution processes. 186. What is one requirement for herbal products? Answer: evidence of safety and efficacy. 187. What must be provided for drugs with special handling requirements? Answer: specific storage and transport instructions. 188. What is the significance of post-market studies? Answer: to evaluate long-term drug safety. 189. What must be included in drug inserts regarding interactions? Answer: known drug-drug interactions. 190. What is essential for the labeling of investigational drugs? Answer: clear information on clinical trial participation. 191. How does DRAP monitor compliance with advertising regulations? Answer: through regular reviews of marketing materials. 192. What is required for the manufacturing of combination drugs? Answer. Thorough testing for interactions. 193. What must manufacturers do to ensure the integrity of their supply chain? Answer. Conduct regular audits of suppliers. 194. What type of testing is crucial for identifying drug impurities? Answer. Analytical testing. 195. What should be clearly labeled on drugs for high-risk populations? Answer. Warnings and precautions. 196. What is essential for ensuring accurate drug labeling? Answer. A review process involving multiple departments. 197. How are new drug applications evaluated? Answer. Through a comprehensive review process by DRAP. 198. What must be maintained for all pharmaceuticals produced? Answer. Complete traceability records. 199. What is required for the sale of over-the-counter medications? Answer. Compliance with labeling regulations. 200. What is the role of ethics in drug marketing? Answer. To ensure truthful and responsible promotion. Respected pharmacists, kindly feel free to ask for any further details or specific areas you want to explore. Our message. DRAP, PPSC, FPSC, Hospital Pharmacist, Drug Inspector, DHA, MO, HAAD, SLE, CAPS, OSPAP, etc. Exam preparation, solved past paper MCQs and complete set of notes are available at this YouTube channel in video form. You can make your pharmacy exam preparation at this YouTube channel. Regards. Majid Body Advocate, PhD Scholar Pharmaceutics. 2023-2026 LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association PPA Punjab, Pakistan. Contact +92321404236. Thank you.